Hey, it's Rod, your coach. So I just wanted to make this video to go over the back office because sometimes people aren't able to use Skype. They're unable to see my screen when I try to record. So, the best way for me to do it is just to make a quick video about the back office. It's very simple to get used to. But, at first it could be a little confusing where things are and all that stuff. So I kind of want to go through stuff. So, well, first things first. This is where you access your training, continue with your training. Obviously, you know this by now. And it goes through the steps, right? So these are your core steps. So if you have the Marketers Club right here, you're able to access that here, okay? So this is going to be the 8 courses there, and you start your training. It's best to use this on a computer. If you use it on your phone, it might cut off some of this, so it won't look like it's complete. But it is. Try to use a computer or an iPad turned sideways. But you're able to download the MP3s and download in PDF as well. So you're able to, there's a lot of, the training, it's look at this. This is insane. I mean, this is incredible training. I've never seen anything like this. For the $30 that, this costs a month, I mean, and it's always constantly updating because, social media is, this is a lot of great stuff. So this is your Marketers Club. This is when you want to start marketing. This is what you want to go through. I mean, if you want to learn Facebook, go through these two. And including this. If you want to do just, YouTube, go through this YouTube training. So there is a ton of education inside this Marketers Club. And I'll obviously go over, a little bit more, but yeah, you have so much access in this. And then in the email I sent you that you got this video from, there's going to be a lot of education in the blogs as well. And then the webinars, the daily calls, there's tons of education here, plenty and more than enough. So then of course, if when you get Builder, you'll have access to that here. These 4 massive courses that are, how to, attract people to you, storytelling formula, master of enrollment, profitable presentation, information on this Builder Masterclass is obviously, we've obviously gone through it at this point a little bit in detail, but it's also under step 5 in the core steps. So, and then leader of course as well here. So that one's huge, you can tell. So, but awesome. So these are where you visit, the customer will visit their products. If they buy the $30 a month product, this is where they're going to view it. And then whether it's a business owner making their business better or someone that wants to be a member and promote us, either way, they're going to learn good information inside here. So, the events, that's just about the events here and everything like that. Hey, Dave. Oh, pause it. Perfect time to pause it. Look, even Larry's laughing. Goodness gracious. Okay, so the My Business section, this is where the magic happens, okay? Now pay attention closely to this section because I'm going to kind of go through it a little quickly. I don't really have too much time to make this video, so I apologize. But, and of course, watch these videos. He goes through things really well. I pause it too good again. I'm just really good at pausing. Sorry, Dave. But yeah, so this is where you do your payments. This is where you set up your e-wallet. If it already says it's complete and you haven't completed it yet, then it probably just says that, and you need to go through that email it sent you about the e-wallet. So if you're having troubles with the e-wallet, right down here, click this button, and it'll bring up support. Okay, support is traveling right now, so that's why they're not shown right here. But usually this is where you would see support, and you would make a new conversation, or you can just email support@legendarymarketer.com, and that'll be at the bottom of the email I sent you where you got this video. So that's where you set up your e-wallet, and that's how you're paid. When you make your commissions here in Legendary, it's released to your e-wallet, and then it goes from there wherever you say, whether it's a prepaid debit card, check, bank transfer, anything. Direct deposit, all that good stuff. So that's how you're paid here. And then information on the e-wallets here. And then the community, you got the Facebook group. Chances are I've already got you in that so far. That way I can tag you in important things. That way you can see announcements for daily calls, Coach Call Fridays, the weekly webinars and all that stuff. So in any updates. So Sendlane. So this is the section that you can skip for now. Okay, it's very confusing to go through Sendlane, and if you need help with Sendlane, I know a good video that goes over. It's about 45 minutes, and it goes over in detail how to use Sendlane. Sendlane is how you send customized emails. Okay, so here, when anyone opts into the capture page here, and I'll go over that a little bit, there's automatically sent 45 days worth of emails. Sendlane is how you would send emails if you wanted to send completely custom emails every single day, starting from day 1, or if you want to let our 45-day automatic ones run, and Sendlane is what you would use to send emails after that, customized emails. And then at some points you can create your own capture page with Sendlane as well and really start customizing. So it's definitely a good tool to have, but right now I recommend just using what we have provided here. And then when you want to improve later, that could be one of the things that you add to your arsenal of things to improve. And then when you're done, you're done. You get a marketing plan that you can go over, but chances are by now we've kind of gone over that a little bit on the phone. So yeah, it's a little bit about your setup. Okay, the big things about this is getting your e-wallet set up, of course, and getting in the Facebook group. Okay, so now onto links. Everyone's like, well, what do I promote? What do I promote? Okay, well, there's the secret funnel and the book funnel. You also can promote the blog here. Now, if you want more information on how to promote the blog here, it's quite simple. I'm going to show you it really quickly, and it's going to be kind of complicated at first sounding, but I promise you it's not. So I'll go to my link for the blog. So the blog is on legendarymarketer.com. At the top right, you'll see blog. So when you go to it, it will be without this link right here, okay? So it would be just like that. So to make this affiliate based, meaning when someone goes to this blog and buys the book or buys the 30 a month or goes to anything, you know, it's going to be tracked to you. So what you do is you hit question, because anything after the question is fair game, AID, which is your affiliate ID, and that's when you go into your Legendary Marketer back office and get this number right here. Yours will be different than mine. I repeat, yours will be different than mine. Don't use my number. Please do not use this number, because then you would be giving me the credit, and obviously that would be great, but I don't want you to do that for me. So make sure it's your number. It'll probably be a lot more digits than mine. So make sure, I repeat, it's your number that you're copying right here, and you put after this AID equals question mark AID equals 6096. Okay, so boom, that's the blog. So now you're able to promote the blog. If you want to promote the daily calls right here, same thing. You know, you put the question mark AID equals, make sure that it has this at the end with your number, not mine, your number. That way it will promote you. Okay, and same with the webinars. I always make Bitly. Bitly is a link shortener, the thing that you can make custom, you know, shorten links. Same with this. You know, the normal link is usually this. So the way I make it affiliate based to me is question mark AID equals, and then your affiliate number here. So that way when people go to it, it's affiliate to you. You're able to get the commissions. If someone does the webinar, it ends up becoming a customer. So that's how to use the blogs, the daily calls, and the webinar as an affiliate tool for yourself. And then you also have, you know, what promotes the 30 a month here with the VSL you're probably familiar with. You might have seen this. You might have, you know, seen the blogs. A lot of people promote different things here. But this is the normal funnel you would use. This is the link you would use. This is the golden link, okay? This is your affiliate link to your capture page. See, it's affiliated to me. Yours will have your number there as well. So when they go through this, their name and email, boom, they become a lead. And then it automatically takes them to this video where they watch it and they decide where they want to buy. If they don't, they're obviously going to be getting emailed for 45 days, remember, because it's going to be automatic emails going to your leads that opt in, which puts their name, which means just fancy. Opt in means to put their name and email in. That's just fancy talk. When they put their name and email in, boom, they're a lead. They automatically go into your lead section here, and they automatically go to that video where they watch that, and then they go to the checkout page where they buy. Ultimately, that's the goal. So, sorry, I just got a message. Okay, awesome. Sorry. So one thing I've learned that people want to learn how to start using is tracking tags. Okay, so that just means, like, let's say if you're, you know, doing a Facebook post, you put FB post, no spaces, you click add. Okay, now you're like, where to go? It disappeared. Where to go? Oh my God. No, it's right here now. Okay, so when you copy this, you can copy here, just do what I do and Control C, or you can hit copy. When you go to paste it, when this is tagged to you now, it's still, everything after the question mark is okay. It's not going to affect your link. It's not going to affect anything. The TID is the tag ID. So that way it goes to, when you track it in your back office and you get a lead, it'll be tracked. Okay, this is where you see your leads and your members. And over here is where you see your stats, your commissions, and your payouts and all that stuff. But really I want to focus on the links, because that's what everyone's always wondering. Where's my links? Where's my links? Okay, so this is, that way, I mean, I have my livelegendary.online domain that I use. And it, you know, you can search your dates. You know, you can go back months if you want, and search your dates and go through everything. But this is how you're able to tag. So I don't know, okay, it came through a Facebook post, or it was profile web, or it came through Instagram, or it came through the co-op traffic here that they provide, you know. and all that stuff. So that's where your leads and members go. So this is important. Tracking tags is important. And then that's going to promote the 30 a month. This gets to the 30 a month product. So that's going to be how do you promote that. And then the book funnel, if you want to promote the free book, same with this, tracking tag, same with this AID. And this is the book funnel. So you have the secret funnel. It promotes the secret video that they get, which is this, and promotes the 30 a month. You got the book funnel, and then you have the blog, the weekly webinar, and the daily calls to be able to promote as well. So that's definitely a good bit of stuff to promote. And there's obviously new stuff coming out. Constantly Dave is always adding new things. So be on the lookout for that. So, and then this is where you can go to your account settings and all that if you need to add a new card on file, and all that stuff, like right here and all that good stuff. So, but yeah, so as far as, that's a little bit about, the back office. If you end up doing Sendlane and you're wondering, where do I connect it? Right here under account settings and billing, you'll see the API key, your Sendlane login URL, and then your hash key. And that way you're able to connect it right there. Boom, shakalaka. And if you have Sendlane and want to use that, Sendlane's a great thing to use to be able to customize things, in my opinion. If you want a video on how to use that in full detail, a lady named Tess has a great video on that. So ask me for that. But yeah, so this is a good bit of the, the products, my business. So when you're promoting and marketing and someone goes through this link, they're going to buy the $30 a month product, right? And then they're going to get a coach and everything. So be aware, if you start getting a lot of members, start really considering the Builder Masterclass, because you will eventually miss that $1,000 commission. Now, in order to be able to get it, you have to have the Builder Masterclass. So talk to me about that. That's something you eventually want to do. But I don't want you to base your results off, the front end. Like if you're unable to get some sales really quickly and you're like, well, I'm obviously not going to get the Builder Masterclass now. Well, that's selling yourself short. The Builder Masterclass is when you get that high level of coaching and education here. So that's going to put you ahead of the rest. So when you're ready to get the Builder Masterclass, absolutely reach out to me. But for now, start promoting what you are able to promote here. Okay, so that would be this, and the blog and all that stuff. And when people buy the $30 a month product, you're making $18 a month in commissions and $89 when they upgrade to the yearly. And if you own the Traffic Rolodex, if they buy that, you make 28 bucks. So that was a nice little back office tour. Of course, you got your banner ads. If you want to do it, this is going to be more complicated, but this is if you want to put something on a website. This is the embedded codes are here. The video ads are not something you can download, as in everyone would be using the same video on YouTube and Facebook, getting it flagged. So these are embedded codes that you can use on your own funnel or your own website. Then you have some ad copies where they have some good ideas. If you use Facebook ads, please do not use the links in the ads, because Facebook does not like business opportunities, like anything with affiliate programs they do not like, which, Best Buy and eBay and Etsy and all these major companies have affiliate programs, but Facebook is, of course, can do whatever they want, I guess. But yeah, try to take out the links and get people to comment for the info and then message them the information. But these are some good ad copies here. Then, of course, the email copy. Sorry, I'm going fast, but I have a call at 9. That person's going to be upset, but I apologize, but I just wanted to get this video done. So if you're making your own email, in Sendlane, and you want some email copies, boom, you can get the sequence here. Boom, you get the images here. And I know once you go through this, you'll be eventually wondering, where are the videos? That's when you would email support and they would send you a list of the videos that are associated with these email copies. So I'm done with this video. I apologize for going so fast, but I really just wanted to make this because it kind of is important to know a little bit about your back office and to really be walked around it visually like this. So hope you have a good rest of your day. I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.